Yes. Okay. Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss a topic on a design thinking based, and the topic name is Introduction to Solar Thermal Systems. Okay. So before going to the topic, so far we have seen so many topics on solar energy, wind energy, and and its applications, etc. This unit purely discussed about the applications of solar thermal power plant. Okay, so in this we are going to first topic we are going to discuss about introduction to solar thermal systems, and in this the empathy of this topic is solar thermal systems which harness the sun's energy for heat. We know all know that, and they provide a sustainable alternative for heats needed. So this technology significantly reduces reliance on fossil fuels, etc. In US market, they are expected to steadily growth through 2030. So the main thing is we have to go growth. We have the main growth on solar thermal power plant by 2030. So how we are going to make our production of electricity with the help of solar thermal power plant by the year of 2030. Already the US market has started developing. Okay, our empathy is that. So can anyone explain about the define ideate part, etc.? Can anyone?
In define how solar thermal works, it's convert the sunlight to heat, collect, absorb solar radiation, and fluid circulation. It heat transfer fluid circulation, and it store the heats. Heated fluid goes to the tank, and we use the energy used for a hot water or heating method. In solar thermal system, convert sunlight directly into heat. They can achieve water temperature up to 212 degree Fahrenheit.
That's I going to explain about environmental and economical benefits in this. For example, the tan CO2 reduced one percentage and the more than last year. Then the lower bills, the lower bill percentage reduced from 50 to 70%, and the year's lifespan it increases from 20 to 25 years, and the high efficiency compared to the other side, so like 50 to 80%. These are the economical and environmental and economical benefits that get from the system.
So we have a define part. Next part is about define. Some other point of define.
Now we see about the defense application. The residential and the is industrial. Hot water for single family homes used to food and textile production. The commercial district heating reduces energy cost for business. Heats entire communication. The solar thermal technology is versatile. It supports the various sector from homes to large scale industry process under the community heating. Define another performance and efficiency matrix. There are the two performance: a flat plate and a equator tube, and the different collector types offer varying efficiency. And a 4 meter square collector can produce the approximate 2000 kilowatt per year. Minimal annual maintenance ensure the optimal performance and the energy offset of 50 to 80 percentage of hot water needs.
Activity. After that activity, we can see the ideate part. Here we have an activity. Scan with your mobile for entering into the activity. எல்லாரும் வந்து login soon. Let's explain that. Okay, fine. Let's start the game. Okay. Let's start the game. Your first question is here. This is your first question. seconds. Final scoreboard. Ali interpretation. Next, the ninth question of 15 questions. Okay, now coming to the ideate, who's going to ideate about this topic? What's solution we are going to give for this topic?
So in it, we see about the investment and payback. There are payback period, property value, and the government incentives. In payback period, the period is about 3 to 8 years, depending on cost. The property value is up to 4% increase for homes. Then government incentives, federal tax credits, and the state rebates. So the solar thermal systems offer strong financial returns, so for low operating cost, contribute to predictable energy saving for decades.
These are your ideates. So any points in ideates? So this is what conclusion or ideate who's going to conclude about this ideation.
So the conclusion and future outlook I'm going to give for that. Solar thermal is a proven and sustainable heating and technology. It is essential for decarbonizing the heating sector. Its integration with smart homes and heat pumps is growing. The technology will reach over 800 global capacity by 2030. It is a key solution for a cleaner, more energy independent future, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So here we are concluded, and we have an ideate for a problem of solar thermal heating power plant, uh, which is going to be achieved in vision of 2030. Okay, fine. Thank you so much. And let's summarize this process, this PPT. Before that, we'll have a small activity. Then we'll summarize this PPT. Okay. Thank you. On a solar thermal power plant. So the solar thermal system. So first we have seen the introduction and purpose. And the third we have is how it is works, the sunlight. And third one is key components and its type. And fourth one is benefit, which is environmental and economic benefits. And what is diversified applications of the solar thermal system, and what is the investment and performance, and finally outlook. These are the overall summarize. In this we have seen benefits, we have seen that we have two types of benefits of which comes under the economic and the environment. In that we have how we are going to reduce by economic is reduced of CO2, that is by environmental, and low bills for economic, and long lifespan, and high efficiency which promote independent energy independent, and predictable save for decades. These under comes under the economic and environmental benefits. And the next for what the application is, we are used for residential application and commercial application and industrial, and district heating, what is heating communities. These are the parts we are discussed in this topic, and I hope you understand this topic. Thank you so much.